Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. Best part is the first 24 hours they're on our website. They're on flash sale. So club members, not only do you get your club discount, but they're also on flash sale. Just a heads up, 7-Up. Are you ready? Get set. The first one I'm going to show you, I made for myself. I made it for myself. I'm being flat out honest. I don't care if you buy it. I made it for myself. I just needed it. And here's the deal. So remember when we came out with our really cool, really awesome beautiful butterflies to stamp and die, right? Love them. They were a club set. Absolutely freakishly amazing. I'm in love with that butterfly, first of all. Number two, I didn't have enough. I didn't have enough small ones. I needed smaller ones to do all the other things I wanted to do. And so I'm like, okay, you know what? This is nuts. I just need smaller ones. And so I made this set. Now, this set has the 3 dies for each shape, meaning you have the cutout die, you have the die that's the same size as the cutout die, but without the inside cutouts, and you have the shadow die. Lots of different options on these, but they are different sizes than the other ones because I needed more. So don't buy it. Don't even look at it. I made it for myself, but you know what? I had a feeling if I needed more little ones, you might have needed a little more little ones, just so you know. So there it is. Boom. And so technically there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies in here with all the extra pieces, so 15 dies total. Here we go. Number 2, okay, is our gatefold panels. I know you guys love the gatefold panels as much as I do. We have so many. In fact, I literally have a whole section of them over here. So here's the sorry ones. I have look, they're all just over here because I have so many of them. And you never know what kind of, if you're gonna make a gatefold card, if you need one of these. Now, heads up, you guys. The samples I have to share with you, my design team's like, Stephanie, these are awesome for the gatefolds, but we want to show you other ways to use them too. So the samples I have for you guys today for this die smile with the smiling faces, don't even use gatefold cards because they're that versatile. So I'm going to show you other ideas to use. Ready? Last but not least, this one is one of those that you have to have. This is a must-have. On my website, I'm going to tell them to put must-have on this one because it is so versatile and you're going to grab this one way more than you think. And you know, I don't really say that all the time, right? This is a must-have. Here we go. It is A2 reverse corner stitch dots dies. Why did I say stitch dot? Because it's stitch dot, stitch dot, stitch dot all the way around on these A2 reverse corner nesting dies. Let me tell you this, you're going to grab these all the time. Perfect for when you just want to stamp a little tiny sentiment. They have the great little, this shape. Perfect for layering on your cards. And I have lots of samples. Are you ready? Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. Here is the, oh yeah, these are supposed to be gatefold panels, but we're turning them into background dies, right? Look at that. We have smiles everywhere and a big smile down the front. Perfect on an A2 card base, right? I know, it's so easy. Here we go, putting them side by side and making an A2 card base. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Put a ribbon right down the middle. Who would have thought, right? Here's another one, putting them just literally side by side. Smile. Isn't that awesome? Lots of ideas using the exact same die set and none of them's on a gatefold card. In my mind, I designed them all just to go on gatefold cards. In my mind, I'm like, I need more for gatefold cards. I need more for gatefold cards. Whoosh, look at that. Crazy town, right? I know, it's awesome. Then we're gonna look at the reverse corner. I want you to see, so here's an example. You already saw this one. This was a sneak peek a while back, but this is for our military thanks stamp set. The light of freedom shines brighter because of your service. Wishing you strength, courage, and the knowledge that you are appreciated more than words can express. Perfect thank you cards for our military, for our teachers, for our police officers, our firefighters, anybody that's in public service. These are perfect stamps. They're called military thanks, but you can use them for a lot of different public service also. But here we go. You didn't even notice it right off the bat, but look at how different. If that was a rectangle, just a boring everyday rectangle, it wouldn't stand out as much, would it? But you stamp on it and now it's like a badge of honor right there in the front. I love it. Or you can use it to layer. Look at these awesome layering dies. Oh, and Cheryl even went so far as to stamp the smallest one, her personalized stamp. So the personalized stamp that has the dots at the bottom and at the top fit perfect on the smallest one. Look how cute that is. Love it. Now, let's look at some more layering. Look at this, just layering them. It makes them stand out so much more. Look at the corners. Look at the corners. And the stitch dot, stitch dot, stitch dot is so fun. Here we go. Here's another one. Absolutely love it. Look at the corners. Look at those fun corners. Something totally different and unexpected, but just takes your cards up a notch, right? Literally takes them up a notch. So those are the stitch dot, A2 reverse corner nested dies. Lots of words. Here we go. Mini butterflies. Don't even look at them. Don't even look at them. But wait till you see this one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Those are all using the mini butterflies. So our regular sizes were these. Okay, this was the club set. So they are different sizes. So here's the biggest one in this set. Here's the biggest one in this set. They are different sizes. Technically, you need both, if you ask me. Butterflies and flowers, you can never go wrong. And let me just tell you, I'm in love with them. So there's one. Are they going to come with stamps? No, just dies. I just wanted the dice for these. Here, look at this one. Oh, isn't that beautiful with the cute little umbrella fluttering by to say hi. So yeah, don't buy them. I don't care. But oh, here's another smile one with the butterflies. Oh my goodness. How can that not make you smile, right? Gorgeous. I love it. Oh, and here's another one with the stitch dot, and butterfly. Ding, ding, ding. Love it. Love it, love it. And oh, and Michelle made this cute, oh, look how pretty this is to go on the wall or on a nightstand or something. Isn't that beautiful with our little butterflies on it? I absolutely love it. Now, that was my samples. My friends, club members, you know the rules. You get the club discount on all of these items. The first 24 hours are on the website. You get the flash sale price. If you're not in the club, you need to go check it out. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set each month sent to you. Wait, do I have to pay for that stamp set to be sent to me? No. You're paying $13.99 a month, and we're giving you a stamp set that's brand new. Then you get the club discounts, 15% off the entire website. You're getting club points every time you purchase or on your club shipments. You are getting an anniversary gift certificate for $15 once you've been in the club a year. And freebies. For example, this month, all of my Stampin' Die Hard Club members got freebies. Freebies. Why? Because I love you. Just saying. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch the video, because we technically have 4 clubs and different versions of each club. So if you could be in these two, you could be in these two. We have some people that are in all of them. They're Diamond Club members. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.